Good morning, children. Our last lab program was to consider an array A is equal to containing elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and create a series from that array. Then do the following operations. First one, set the value of all elements to 100. Then create a new series with index values from capital A to capital E. Then add 10 to all elements of the series and display it. Then display first and fourth element of the series. Then set the value of the third element to 500. So first we have to create a array. So we have to import numpy as np, then import pandas as pd. Then create an array A is equal to np dot array in bracket in square brackets 10 comma 20 comma 30 40 comma 50. Now set the value of, now we have to create a series from this array. So create a series S is equal to pd dot series in bracket the argument, that is our array A. Now we have to print the series. Print in single quotes the series is comma S. Now print S. Now create set the value of all the elements to 100. Now we have a series S and we have to set all the values of this series to 100. Now let us see what are the elements of this series. So the elements of this series are index 0, the value is 1. Likewise at index 4 the value is 50. Now let us see after replacing what will be the values of. So for replacing we will give a slice operator. To replace all the elements we will give the start and stop as empty is equal to 100. Now again print S. Now first the series you can see the elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now after replacing the new series the values are, all values are 100. New series is Then we have to create a new series with index values from A to E. Now we can create new series S1 is equal to PD dot series. Just we can copy the same, use the same array A for the series SERI in bracket the array A, the same array A, comma, the index should be equal to, in square brackets, in single quotes, capital A, comma, capital B, comma, in single quotes, capital D, comma, capital E. Now close the square bracket, then close the parenthesis. Then let us print the new series S1. Copy, now you can see in the new series the index values are replaced by A, B, C, D, E, because we have given here index equal to as a list in square brackets A, B, C, D, E. Either we can give like this, or we have to give an array or a list containing A, B, C, D, E, and we can replace the names here like this way. X equal to A, B, C, D, E. Here we can give X. Then also the same output will be obtained. Now add 10 to all elements of the series and display it. Now we have to add 10 to all elements of this series. So we can add S is equal to S S1 is equal to S1 plus 10. Now all the elements, that is all hundreds, are replaced by 110, that is 10 is added to each element of the series. Now display the first and the fourth element of the series. Now we have to display the first and the fourth element of the series. Since in this series all the elements are 110, we can just display the first and fourth element of the series S. So we can write the code as print in bracket first element will be represented with index 0. So we can write S, then in square brackets 0. Now fourth element will be represented with index 3. Now let us print. Now you can see first element is not in S1. We have printed the first element, which is 100, and the fourth element is also 100. Now we have to set the value of the third element to 500. Now we can write S in square brackets third element. So index 2 equal to 500. Print S. Now you can see the third element is being replaced by 500. Okay children, thank you.